Good morning, everyone. This is another vlog today. Today, my local warehouse is actually doing a sale. Now, I've mentioned them here before. They got a $10 clearance. I'm panicking. Why am I panicking? There is a long line. There actually is such a long line. You won't even believe it. So I need to go now, and my family wants to get some air fresheners, but I can't find my wallet now. I think it's in my school bag. Right, so my plan of today, oh my days. I think it's currently 9:30 at the moment, and I need to get down there pretty quick. Now, the reason why I ain't taking my electric scooter down is because it is going to be jam-packed, and I'm not bringing a 20-kilogram scooter in there. Alright, I need to get all this clearance deals out, so that should be easy. It's not even open yet. I mean, the post did blow up though. About 500k. Oh my days. Alright, I need to go. I need to run. Wow, that's the line. Oh no. Alright, quick update. I need to get there quick because that's not gonna be line, and it's right near that warehouse. There's like 50 people in line. Oh my days. 4 minutes to go. 1 minute to go. 10 o'clock. Open it up. We're moving after a 5-minute wait. Okay, quick update. It is currently open at the moment, at 10:30. I've moved like 30 meters in the line. Decent line. Maximum 65 people are allowed inside the store, but that's fine. Yeah, we'll be waiting here for a little bit, but we'll give you some weekly updates. So basically, so there's a lot of people waiting in line, and we haven't moved since. Hopefully we move up soon, so yeah. Also, I forgot to bring a bait, but I don't think I'm gonna buy like a $500 haul, so I'm going to wait here, and the line is very long indeed. So I'm going to wait here, and I'll see you then. The moment, almost there. Okay, fun fact. Okay, so I've actually been sitting here, maybe standing here for an hour straight, and I think it's quite worth it. The line is very slow, but a maximum 65 people, we all know that. And it's actually been an hour since I've been standing here from 10 minutes to 10, and I came here at 9:50, and now it's now 11 o'clock. Oh boy, I thought I'd get in a little bit faster, but no. So I'll probably get in like 11:30, so best of luck for me. Okay, quick update. So we have to wait another hour because the guy said we have to wait another hour, and we are getting literally close. So now we're on the final step, which is getting inside. Now he said a minimum of 5 items, and my family wants a couple of things, so we can go over the limit, or he maximum said 5. I think he said a maximum of 5. I think. Or did he not? I don't know. Anyway, I'll update you once we actually get in. Well, I hope we get in. Because if they say, oh, we're sold out, I just waited 2 hours in the boiling sun for nothing. It is 30 minutes till lunchtime. It is 12 o'clock. I've been sitting here since 10. It's about an hour and a half almost. Very close to the door right now. Hopefully we get some deals. Because if we don't, I stood here for 2 hours doing nothing. It's the final countdown. Nearly there. The final countdown, I couldn't get in. One step to get in. So basically, the line was simply like this. So basically I went like that, and then it went like here, and then here, and that was the checkout B with that line at the end of it. So basically, the whole section right here was $2, and then the section I put here was about $10. Now that was very cheap, and the other section here was about $5, so about $5. So pretty cheap prices. And then I got, where did I get my ice ball maker? I think I got my ice ball maker around here. And then I got a screw protector, which was located around here. And then $5 section. What did I get from the $5 section? I think I got the collectors on the popper thingies. I forgot what they're called. And then the checkout was simply right here, which I paid $20 for, and basically that's how much I paid for. And basically that whole thing, so I had to buy a bag which was $1, so that basically costed me around $20. Now the price was gonna be $27, but then I removed some things which made it up to 20. So basically, that's my line of the story. And basically, I didn't spend that much because obviously I was on a tight budget, even though I was very rich at the time, even though I didn't need to spend my whole money. It's basically $20. It would have been 19 if I didn't spend the bag, which could cost 20. So that's basically the long story of how we did this, and yeah, so good idea. All right, we got some goods, but we only got 3, actually no, 4, because I'm on a tight budget. Only $20, and I had to buy a bag. It was $1, so that, yeah, so because I didn't bring my own bag, so I asked her if I could take the containers because they were giving away the containers one day, but she said I couldn't, so I just bought a bag instead. I had no choice. I don't want to take it all. But now, I'll show you what things we got. So we got a Funko Pop. We got a mouse pad. So many mouse pads there, actually. A lot of people didn't get mouse pads. We got screen protector for my phone. And then we got ice hockey ice molds. We have 4 of them. We have 4 ice molds. We already have enough ice molds at home, but I figured why not just get a couple. So that's what I did. So yeah, we're heading back home now. And yeah, so was starting from 9 o'clock to basically almost 1 o'clock worth it? Well, it depends what kind of clearance items they have. They had a few I didn't like, and there's some of them were a little bit over budget for me, so I didn't get one. I was looking at humidifiers, but I already have like a small one at home. I only worked for like 4 hours with the size of that, so I didn't get it. It's very easy. But we got a couple things, which is nice. Hopefully that screw protector isn't broken. I don't think it's clearance, so I can't return that, so yeah. But yeah, so I think 3 hours spending there is a little bit time wasting unless you have some entertainment such as your phone, as for example I had. And yeah, so we're heading back home now. Mighty Ape, very worth it with the clearance items. It is, if you have the patience, you can go. There's a lot of people complaining about lines and lines as well. They did one in Christchurch, and let's just say that was a long story. But this one is a lot better. And oh my days, the line is still full to this day. It is still jam-packed. So it's about the same. I'll show you real quick. So starting from there, and then all the way to there. It shows you that a lot of people love to get some stuff. So, oh boy. But yeah, so that's going to be it. And I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe. And I will gladly use these things. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Oh yeah, before we finish the video, I just want to show you what kind of stuff I have. So it's actually in here. So the first thing I got was this balcony screen protector. This caught my eye because it fits my phone, even though I probably won't have this phone for like 2 years. This is worth $39 and I got this for $10. And they're actually still selling it, so it's not really a clearance. It's probably just the returned one. They probably bought the wrong model or something. But this is $10, and they had a lot of these as well, so they're probably getting rid of this. But these are really good as well, because I love how it's the precise application as well. I do have a few, but I've run out, so if my glass screen protector breaks, I just got this one, and it looks like it's supposed to be 10 times better, hopefully. I'll show you the other ones. So the section here is we actually have the ice ball makers. So there's the 4 of them that are inside, and there's actually one that's complete. It's actually this one. Now this one's very good. I like it because this one is probably big. Oh no, it's about the same size. It's about the same-ish size. And then these are just the ice balls. Now, they're very hard to get out, but these are very much worth it. It does say hockey ice balls, but it doesn't even look like a hockey ball. So, and yeah, so that's what it looks like. Very, very good. And the last two items, we have a mouse pad. Now, I do have a mouse pad here. This one I actually got off Temu for free. But this one's not the most grippiest. It's a little bit, material-wise, but we all know the material in Temu is rubbish. Then we have the Gorilla Gaming one. Now, there's a nice design. I like it. It's a bit too small, because the other one exactly fitted my one. This one's a little bit too small. But I really don't need that size, because I'm not going to go all the way there. And it's very, very smooth, the mouse pad. Very, very smooth. I like it. Has a nice feeling to it. It's got some good material as well with the rubber and the material as well. If I compare it with this one, it's not going to be that good. Nah, it's alright, but it's not the best. So, yeah, that's my line to the story. So, yeah, that's my old mouse pad. So, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm sure I'll leave it there. And then the last one we got is Roberta. Now, I was going to get two of these Pop Funkos, but I only got one. Now, I was supposed to get two, but they was a little bit too expensive for the second one. So, oh, it doesn't even focus. So, I just got these ones instead. And very, very good. Roberto. So, yeah. I kind of like the 8-bit style because it looks really nice. So, that's why I got this one. So, yeah, really, really good. Really good. I like this. So, we got, I think that's worth about 20 Australian dollars. And then these ones are just like regular ones I don't have. But there's like more at the back as well. But I'm not going to take the whole thing out.